Yo, YouTube, what is going on? So, you're searching for a working method on how to get free clothes from Shein and free stuff from Shein. And I've managed to find a super easy method of getting you Shein clothes for free in 2024. Now, this is a rewards website that I discovered because I was searching basically online how to do this. And yeah, I've actually managed to find a working method. So that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So you do need to use your mobile phone. So you can see I've got my iPhone, but you can use Android or whatever mobile phone you have, just as long as you do have an internet connection. Open up the internet and head on over to this website, guys. www.sellhero.xyz. So I'm going to put this on the screen somewhere as well so you can copy it down, but it is CELLHERO.xyz. So this is a rewards website that I discovered, and they have tons and tons of different rewards once you complete a simple task. And yeah, this includes getting basically a Shein gift card or points, and you can go ahead and get free clothes from the Shein website. So this is the website here, the rewards page, and it says redeem your reward, receive a reward by completing quick, easy and fun tasks. How to receive your chosen reward easily. Click the button to see your tasks. Make sure you're on a mobile device. So this button here, once you click it, you're going to see a list of tasks, and you need to choose and complete 2 of the tasks, making sure to follow the instructions carefully. So these tasks can range from like downloading and playing free games to answering questions. Just fully complete 2 of them. And once you've done that, guys, you will now see, so once you click the button, follow the instructions, you will now be redirected to this rewards website where you can literally have a look through and select anything you want. So there is a Shein page here where you can choose between multiple different rewards, including a $750 Shein gift card, free points. And basically, guys, if you followed the instructions on the rewards website, this will be fully unlocked. I skipped forward a step, so this is why it's not revealed. But if you do follow the instructions, this code will be fully revealed, and you can literally redeem it in the Shein website. And that's how you can get a ton of free clothing. So you just need to go to Sell Hero and follow the instructions and complete a couple of these like tasks to get your reward. And that is how you can do it, guys. So enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.